Hi, I'm Sebastian from Umarex, and I want to show you the new airsoft guns we have in stock. So let us start with the new Glock. I can show you. You see the new Glock Gen5, 17 Gen 5 with the RMS red dot on top. So this is the new style Glocks have always MOS inside the slide, and you can choose which plate you want to have. There are always plates included in the kit content, so you can put on original red dot sights. Here, for example, it's the shield one. So this one has a blowback system, and it's powered with CO2 and original design. It fits original in the holster. You can use it basically maybe for winter players, because this is CO2 powered. You have no issues with gas blowback or cool down functions. So, and here this one is a brand new SRC Glock. So this is a Gen 5 of the 17 model, also with MOS plate. And in this kit contains 4 plates included, so you can choose which original red dot you want to put on this. And this bad boy have a CO2 powered magazine, and also comes available in the future a gas magazine. So if you want to change it to gas, you can do it. And you have the original blowback function. And let me show you the blowback function on the gun on the left side. It's the same gun here. Yeah, it's basically the same. So it's also available in 4.5 millimeter on this boost, but this one is the airsoft version. So, and this one, this is a UX Blamer. It's a new modern 1911 model. So, and this comes in gas and CO2. This is the CO2 version, and this is the gas version. So the only difference is the magazine. I can show you. This is a gas magazine, but same function on both guns. So this completely gun is made of polymer. So, but have the correct original blowback function and ambidextrous safety levers on both sides, and it's operates like the real firearm and fits, of course, in an 1911 holster, but you have to watch out. This is the Kimber grip style, so you must choose the original Kimber grip holster. So let's move on. This one is the Walther PDP. So this one is a non-blowback Walther PDP, but it includes as a kit, has a red dot sight and the fitting plate for if you want to choose the red dot or not. You can put the other plate with the plain surface on it. So this one's have a magazine inside, and the hidden chamber cartridge is in the back of the gun, and you also have the tool for screwing the CO2 cartridge in or out. So this is the new PDP set with the red dot, includes in the set. Next one is one of my favorites. This is the original Walther PPK. So you know it from the movies, and this one comes with a silencer, and we also will have the gun without silencer. So this is a gas blowback gun, real function. You can move the slide like the original one. You have an original decocking system. You can decock the gun. You can switch it back and can shoot. So silencer, I will show you. You can unscrew the silencer. The thread is here and inside the barrel. You can see it. So it's a pretty short gun. And this one will hold 13 BBs. You have to double stack it correctly because it's a small technique, and altogether works like a real function. If it's empty, it will stay back in the back position. You have to change the mag and then you can reload. So next one, these are our revolvers. So this is one of the older revolvers, but these two guns are new, brand new. So we designed a new rail system for this one and a new satin finish on this. So it's a real replica of the original competitor from Smith & Wesson. So it functions based on CO2 hidden in the grip. The grip is rubberized and there are fake bullets inside. You can put a BB behind in the bullet, put it in and close the chamber and can shoot like a revolver or double action. You have rails on the frame for easily attach a red dot or aiming device if you want. And this one is same principle. The gun function is the same. There's a hidden CO2 cartridge in the grip, and this is a more classic finish, silver finish and white grip scales with a sledgehammer on it, and same function. So if we move on to the Glocks, we already have new Glocks. So this is the color variations you can see of the 17 model, 17 Gen 5 model. So this is a dark brown like the French Army used it. So this one here has a CO2 power and a blowback function. So you can easily use it for winter scenarios because here is the same procedure. You have no issues with the cool down because you are using CO2. This one got no MOS on it, but it's keep it simple and new version in different color versions, and the surface is very nice. There's a powder coating finish on it, and the color is very close to the original one. So if we move on to the Beretta, you can see MOS is very common right now. So we have decided to put a plate system on the Beretta too. You can choose your red dots included in the kit content. You have 3 plates and you can choose original red dots and put it on it. You have what you have to do is change the right plate with the right number and the footprint for the fitting red dot system. So this is a gas blowback powered system. This is a standard magazine. You have original blowback and polymer grips and a steel slide. It looks really good and has a smooth operation. So also you can see the different color versions in desert and OD green, and here you can see this one has a plain plate on it. This is the looks from the standard gun, and if you choose to choose the different plates on it, you can put on the red dots. Just for example, this one is a Burris, for example.